So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online right now. A very simple steps for you to start making money online right now without paying anyone. So let's get it started. Okay guys, so now we'll just log into the computer and go to your Chrome browser rather, and go to a website called Addmefast.com. You can see you just turn it to desktop site. My own is already turned. You just turn it to desktop site, Addmefast.com. This is how it looks like. You can see it. Buy points. This is a site where they trade different stuffs like what you are seeing right there, Facebook likes and all that stuff. So this is how it will look like. Me, I'm already signed. I already have an account. So when you just log into this page, you click on your top right and you sign into Addmefast. You create an account. It's very easy. They don't ask you for much. You just create an account. You can see you can do, these are the jobs we do on Addmefast, like Facebook likes, Telegram shares, Reddit, Instagram likes, every other all these online sites. This is what we do on Addmefast. So yeah, so now what you want to do is you just look around, take a look at everything on Addmefast site, and yeah, we're good. So yeah, now what I want you to do is to continue watching this video. Let's just watch it from the start to the ending, so that by the time you finish watching this video, you should have a way to make money with Addmefast.com. So what we're going to do here is to do one of all these jobs. These are a bunch of jobs I believe for us to do. So let's just try let's do Instagram. Let's do Instagram like. So these are things that you can do. We'll come back to this site. Let's just do can do any of all this job, right? So let's do Instagram. Right, this is Facebook. You can see Facebook shares, Facebook followers, Facebook post likes, Facebook post, Reddit, Telegram, and I just clicked on Instagram likes. So this is how it look like. It will load. You say I should like this post and get 13 points. So I will get 13 points for liking this post. So I just click on like. Yeah, now turn it to desktop site and it will automatically load the page. Okay, now they say error. Okay, error. There's an error with that link. So because these are people that dropped, I'll just choose another one here. This one say I will get 13 points. These are people that are promoting their stuff, so I'll just do another one. Let me do Instagram followers, right? This one say I will get 24 points. So let's go. You turn it to desktop site and it will load. It's still saying error occurred. Okay, now I don't know why this thing is showing error occurred. I've not seen this. I've not gotten that error before. So what I want to do is to let's just see how this ends. Let's just sit together and try something else. I'll just go and try Facebook now. I'll log into my Facebook and go and change it to my working page, because I don't do all that stuff on my entertainment page, right? So yeah, now I'm logged into my page. Let's just try Facebook now, and hopefully this will work. Okay, Facebook like, click on it. There's a work here for us. Now they say you can get 20 points. Now let's just do it. Go to Facebook and we're just to like a single post and we'll get that point. We'll get 20 points. Now that's a large point. The points varies. Different people create their own points, right? Now just like this post right there where you see like, I just liked it, and I'll go back to Facebook and I'll confirm it. Click on confirm. You can see it's showing 2524 there as my points. Now it just changed. Can you see it right there? It just changed to 2544. Yeah, that's how we do it. We can do another one again. Okay, can do another Facebook post just to like another. Okay, yeah, you can see what we have to like here. We just click on like this post, and we'll go back. I just liked it, and now we'll go back to our Addmefast dashboard. Click on confirm. You click on confirm, and 2544, right? It's going to change now to and add the point for that job. I just did that job right now. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. You can see it's now 2,556 points, right? Yeah, so these are the tasks you do. You can select any of all these tasks right here, any of all these jobs. You can do something else. Okay, let's try something else. Should we try YouTube, right? You can see this is the points you get, and for liking a post, you can just skip. You can also skip if you don't like the points that they have for this job. You can just click on skip and it will take you to the next job, right? Okay, yeah. So now let's try something else. Now you can see this thing are things you can just do on your own. You can do, like, it's not stressful at all. You can be at your office place and you'll be doing this stuff. You can see the point that you can see there. I just accumulated it. I accumulated that point in some few times. So now let's try YouTube. Like, we'll just like a YouTube video. Okay, now click on desktop side. It will load to YouTube. If you're getting value from this video, I want you to click on like the video, like this very video on YouTube. This is my video right now. You like it on YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel while this thing loads. Okay, now this is a YouTube short, right? If I'm not mistaken. Okay, yeah, this is a YouTube shorts videos. So we have to just like this video. Now YouTube shorts is another way people used to make money online on YouTube, and I'll make another video telling you guys about YouTube shorts and how you can make money, because YouTube shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube placed a huge amount of money to be shared among all YouTube shorts subscribers. So let me just get to my work and I'll make that for another day. See, I just mistakenly clicked away. Guys, because I was talking about YouTube shorts. So I'll just go back. Desktop style. I just go back to the video. I mistakenly clicked away. Let's go back to that video. Okay, I think it's another job. Okay, yes, it's the same video. So the YouTube short is for another day. Let's just do what we're here to do now. Clicked on like, and I'll go back to my dashboard. I'll go back to my dashboard. Right now it's going to load and add up 2556. Okay, now you can see the error message showing there. It's showing that I did it too fast, or maybe the site is not working. And now that's because of me clicking away from that page, because this site, they want you to just be straightforward and do the job. So the moment I clicked away, it make this job to go wrong, and they don't like that stuff. So we'll just try another one. Trying to desktop sites. Let's just try another one, guys. So you're watching this video, click on like, please, to support me. Support me with your like. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, now it's loading. You can drop your comment in the comment section why this is loading if you don't understand. So I just click on like here. You can see it down here. I just like the video, guys. You can see it right there. So now what we're going to do is to click back to our Addmefast dashboard after liking this video. I'll just go back. Oh, I just mistakenly clicked away again, guys. I double tapped my back button and now I just left that job. If I have done the job, and if I had confirmed it, it will add to my points, but I did not confirm it and I click back. So I just lost that job, guys. Just lost here. I'll just try another one right away. I just lost that job, guys. So this job, I just saw it right now, is they are paying 20 to like this Facebook job. It's a Facebook job. They are paying 20 points. So I just need to do it quickly. This is how I do this stuff, right? I just need to do it quickly while I saw it there, because normally I see 10 points, 12 points, and I just saw that 20 points. So I just need to do it, and I confirm. You can see my point is 2556. It will just add up right now. Yeah, 2576. You can see it right there. So this is how you accumulate points actually on Addmefast.com. This is how you activate points on Addmefast.com. And now I know you'll be wondering how you can use to make money with these points, right? How you can make money with this point, right? Okay, now just hold on. This is a feature where you see add there. This is a feature where you used to create a campaign for any of these jobs. Now the jobs we are doing are campaigns that people are running for their jobs, page likes, Instagram promotion. Now you can create your own campaign from this job, and create your own campaign with these points you are seeing right there. These are the points I accumulated with some few period of time. I accumulated our points. Now you can just create your own job by clicking on this add right there, and you will do any of this stuff. You can promote a YouTube video, you can promote a YouTube channel. Now what you want to do is that you just go on create a kind of profile that you can go on YouTube, go to groups and tell people, okay, I can help you promote YouTube subscriber, I can help you promote your music, I can help you promote Facebook posts. Now there are people that are bunch of people looking for this job, looking for this service on a daily basis. So you can just go to Facebook groups, search for YouTube groups and go there, tell them you can help them promote. And what you do, you can actually charge up to a 5,000 naira for just 1,000 subscribers. And when they give you that money, all you have to do is to come to your Addmefast dashboard and use these points you have accumulated here to promote that post for them. Now when you promote it, you just click on add there. You come here, you can see this how it looks like. This place showing Facebook likes. You just click on it, turn it to what you are doing, turn it to okay, YouTube subscribe, right? Now this page where you see title there, you just click it, type the title, tell them to subscribe YouTube, so that the people that are seeing this job will know what they have to do is to subscribe to a YouTube channel, right? The user ID, you put your the channel's user ID, the channel's user ID for your client. Click CPC is the amount of points, Addmefast points you are using for this particular job. You are paying per person, so you just put it on 10 or any number you like, and you just promote it. You click save changes. After you've added this, total click is the number of subscribers you want. You just tell them 1,000 and everything. This is how you do it, and you just help your client to promote the job. This username point is where you tell that person to to send you his YouTube ID, and you place it there. And you can see countries worldwide is mostly recommended, and you can select the countries where you want to promote it. Now you just promote here. This is how you make YouTube promotion, and the ad will start running. The ad will start running now. And the benefit of this site is that most people use fake site to promote those YouTube channel, and they will just use robots to get fake subscribers. Now this site, you can see, it's people like you and I that are working here, and when you promote here, you get real people to subscribe to this YouTube channel, making your clients to be satisfied, because those subscribers are not actually going to leave that channel, because they are from real humans like me and you. And now, so that's it. You can use 1,000 points, which you can accumulate on this site in a short period of time. You can use it to get 1,000 subscribers when you place it on 10 CPC, and you can charge your clients like 5,000 naira for 1,000 subscribers, or you can charge in dollars also. You can charge in, and you just get that money to your bank account and you keep it in your pocket, and you use your points in Addmefast to promote that stuff. You can also promote your own YouTube channel if you are into other stuff. And now that's how you do it. Now another way where you can use this platform to make money is a website called PlayerUp. PlayerUp, they said you can go there and you sell your Addmefast points, but I've not actually tried it. So what I'll do is I'll make another video when I try it and it's working. I'll come here, give you updates how you can sell your Addmefast points on PlayerUp and get real money. Now that's all you have to do about Addmefast. So guys, there's another website where you can use to actually make money online. This website, they pay. Is you do tax like this on Addmefast, but they pay you in dollars. They pay you to your bank account directly. You don't accumulate points, you accumulate money. And that was my last video on this channel. I talked about that stuff, and you can just actually you can actually sign up for that one. You can go watch the video on my YouTube channel. The video will be showing on your screen right now. That's the video you are seeing on your screen right now, and you can watch that video and know all you need to know about that website. They pay you in cash, they pay you to your bank account, you just accumulate money. And yeah, so this my YouTube channel, Make Money Online. I'll be giving you tips on how you can make money online, different tips actually. So when I get something that's working, I come here, I give you update, I teach you how to do it. So what I want you to do right now to support me is to drop a like on this video. If you think the video is not, if you think there's something I don't do well, you can drop a dislike also, and drop a comment in the comment section so I teach you more or offer you better service. So click on the red subscribe button, subscribe, and below you will see the link to Addmefast. You can see the link to Addmefast below, and you can use that link to sign up and join Addmefast website and start making your coins, which you can use to do all of those services or make money. And you can also click on this video showing right now on your screen and watch another video showing you how you can make money with another site where you can earn real cash, and I'm currently using that also, and you too can do it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.